So my name is Marco Zablockij. I'm with M&R Printing Equipment out of Chicago, Illinois, and this is our DTF machine. I am the DTF technician. I help do a little bit of development. I do trainings, testing, pretty much everything that needs to be done with the Quatro.
So this Quatro is taking the industry by storm as being this industrial level machine.
Yes.
Can you tell me about what separates this from what is currently on the market that a lot of people have bought?
So, you know, we get the machines brought in, but once they're brought in, we basically take them apart and redo everything with all of our own technology. We have our own programming inside. We've reprogrammed the HMI so that it's understandable, and it gives you absolute and full control over everything about this machine, from your white ink recirculation to your powder strength and the shaking, belt speed, temperatures. We've added safety features onto the machine. All the doors that we have on here, we actually have locks on them now, so you can't just open them up while you're running. Any of the covers that access inside the machine where the film goes, when you open those, everything stops there as well. We also have a high industrial HEPA filter on the side of the machine to collect anything that you don't want to actually breathe in, which is a big thing in the DTF market. And another thing that we've gone ahead and done is this is UL and CE certified also.
Okay, so this, unlike a lot of the ones out there, actually comes with a computer, and you guys have a proprietary RIP program?
Yes, so we have a RIP software that is proprietary to us that we will give you with the machine when you purchase it, along with the print program and the computer as well. So you get that as an entire package with this machine also.
And so the RIP program, this is going to help set up like the gang sheet situation?
That's exactly it. In the RIP software, you have a lot of control. You can RIP single files, you can actually tile and gang up jobs in there. You have control of the amount of white ink that's going to be laid down. You also have sizing abilities, rotation abilities, pretty much the majority of what you're going to need to lay out a job properly and use the least amount of film to get the jobs done.
And probably one of the questions I get asked the most about this technology is, how many feet per hour am I going to get out of this machine?
Okay, so with this machine over here, we're going to offer it in 3 different pass counts. You're going to have 4 pass, which is going to be your draft mode. You're more than likely not going to use that for your production runs unless it's really small images, similar to the M&R logo that I have on here, where you don't need a ton of ink, but that's going to give you 120 linear feet an hour. The next step past that is going to be your 6-pass mode. There will be some customers that are going to want to have the speed of that. We'll still give you proper coverage, enough white ink to give you a good transfer. That's going to get you 90 linear feet an hour. And then what we're currently showing at the show right now, and we would think the majority of the customers are going to run, is going to be our 8-pass mode, and that gets you 60 linear feet an hour.
Yeah, that's incredible speed.
Yeah. So one of the other things that sets us apart from everybody else with the DTF machine is everybody knows M&R as a sales and service company, and we are very well known for our service. So with this machine, unlike anybody else, is we are going to come out and we're going to install it. We're going to train you how to operate it. We're going to be your supply line. If you need to call service for any bit of help, you're going to call us, and we're going to be the ones that are going to help you out. We're not just going to ship it out to you and say have fun with it. We're going to be the ones that are going to do everything for you to make sure that you're successful with it.
That's definitely different from what people are experiencing right now.
Everything that I've heard is it's the complete opposite of what everybody's saying.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks a lot, Marco, for the insight.
Yeah, no problem at all.
Yeah.